Everyone says YouTube is oversaturated. Everyone says you're too late. Everyone is wrong. Starting a YouTube channel in 2026 is not only possible, it might be the single best decision you make this year. All you need is a channel, a video, and the courage to hit upload. That's it. You're on YouTube. But here's what nobody tells you about what comes next. And that's exactly what this video is about. Before you film a single second of footage, stop and ask yourself one question. Why? Why do you actually want to do this? Is it to share something you know better than almost anyone else? To build a brand? To escape a job that's slowly draining you? To create something that outlasts you? Your why is your fuel, because there will be days, and I promise you, there will be days where nothing is working, the views aren't coming, and quitting feels like the smartest option. On those days, your why is the only thing that keeps you going. So get crystal clear on it right now before anything else. Now let's talk about what you're actually going to make. And I want you to forget the word niche for a second, because most people overthink it into paralysis. Here's a simpler question. What could you talk about for 3 years straight without getting bored? That's your starting point. Go to YouTube, search that topic, and study what's already working. Not to copy it, but to understand it. How do the top videos open? What keeps people watching? What gaps are nobody filling? In 2026, the creators winning aren't the ones who found some secret untapped niche. They're the ones who showed up with a sharper angle and a more genuine voice. Your channel setup doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be credible. Click Create Channel. Pick a name that's clear, memorable, and easy to spell. Design a profile picture and banner that immediately communicate what your channel is about. Canva makes this dead simple, even if you have zero design experience. Write a channel description that speaks directly to your target viewer, not to an algorithm. Include keywords naturally so YouTube knows where to place you. Verify your phone number. Unlock your features. And just like that, you're live. Done. Stop fussing over the aesthetics and start making content. You can always improve the branding later. This is where most people stall. They want the perfect camera, the perfect lighting, the perfect script. Here's the truth. Your first video will not be good. Your first 10 videos probably won't be good. And that is completely fine, because done is infinitely better than perfect. Hit record, make the video, post it, then do it again and again. Every single video teaches you something your camera gear never will. Now let's be brutally honest for a moment. Your early videos will get almost no views. You'll check your analytics obsessively and feel like you're shouting into a void. You'll see smaller channels blow up overnight and wonder what you're doing wrong. You'll question everything. And here's what I want you to hear. That feeling is not a sign to quit. That feeling is the entrance fee. Every single creator you admire paid it. The ones who succeeded aren't more talented than you. They just refused to stop. Stay consistent. Keep learning. Keep improving. Because one day, the algorithm notices, an audience starts to grow, and brands start sliding into your inbox. YouTube doesn't reward the most talented creators. It rewards the ones who lasted long enough to get good. That is how you start your YouTube journey in 2026. Not with the perfect setup, but with a clear purpose, a genuine angle, and the stubbornness to keep going when it gets hard. And if you want to know the real reason why 99% of YouTubers quit before they ever make it, my next video breaks it all down. Don't miss it. I'll see you there.